What's going on, guys? Keith here, and hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So what we're going to do today is going to work on my Mustang GT. It's a 2002, and basically I have a burnt out headlight. So I need to fix that as soon as possible. And the good thing is super easy. We're going to replace with one of these. This is a SilverStar Ultra made by SYLVANIA. It's a model number 9007. So it's going to be a really bright white, good nighttime vision. So perfect for the Mustang. Super easy to do, take you about 5 minutes, no tools required. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so now that we have the hood open, you can see the top of the headlight here. And what you're wanting to get to is there's going to be two pins basically that slide up and down, and these are what hold the headlight in. So I'll show you this one. So you just pull that pin out. You can kind of see it goes down these two slots here on the back side, and that kind of keeps it in. Do this one real quick. Just like that. And so the next step is it's basically ready to pop out. So you can see there it's going to start moving. But you can kind of see in here already that's where the plug is that you're trying to get to. That's the back side of the light bulb. And then there's also a side marker, and there's also a plug on this too, so you don't want to pull this out and pull the wire. So when you get ready to pull this out, just kind of go gentle, just pull it just a little bit, and you'll see that there's another wire connection here. You don't want to break it. So I'll show you guys how to pull this out. Just a moment. Okay, now this step's actually not too bad. So basically it'll wiggle a little bit, but basically there's two pins that are sliding into a connection point here behind the headlight. So what I like to do is get just my two fingers in behind here and just gently pull on it. Like that. So here you can see the side marker light. We don't want to do anything with that. Basically all we want to do is disconnect this light plug right here. Okay. Alright, so that's unplugged. And we're going to undo this little ring right here. And then the old light bulb here, and it's got a busted filament in there, so that's why that wasn't working. All right, so let's get the new one, and basically just a reverse, and be back up and running real soon. Okay, so we have our new light bulb. I'll just place it back in here. There we go. And just make sure the top of the light bulb has this part pointing up so we can clip it back in. Got to place the ring back on. There we go. And then you can plug it back in. Like that. And then slide the headlight assembly back into place. Alright. So that clipped back in. Replace your pins. It's that one. And this one. All right, and that's it. So let's make sure this works. We'll test it real quick. All right, that looks a lot better. So yeah, that was a really super easy DIY, just 5 minutes, no tools required, and you're back in business. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.